Just we'll take few example. Number of 3-letter words from P, Q, R, S, T and U if repetition is allowed. Then what will happen? Total 6 letter we have. Then total 6 letter, any of the letter we can put here, means total choice. How many choice we have? 6C1, means any of the letter, like here letters will be there P, Q, R, S, T, U, correct? This can go, any of the 6 can go here, any of the 6 can go here, means 6C1, or any of the 6 can be selected here. Next is for second number also we can select again any of the 6 because repetition is allowed. Just for first selection you have selected S, for second selection also you can select S. Then 6C1, again for third also 6C1. When 6C1, 6C1, we have to put 3 times. Then here you can say it is how many boxes are there, how many balls are there. Box and ball if it is given, correct? Or otherwise don't mix box and ball, just to understand this repeated arrangement. That will discuss in later if different to different or distinct to distinct is there, then you will be able to get more clarity. Here number of 3-letter words from P, Q, R, S, T, U, if repetition is allowed it will become 6 to the power Q.